Hello everyone, this is FRANKEVER Electronics. Now let me introduce our new latest product, single life smart switch. As we can see, it is different from the ordinary switches on the market. There's only a lifeline connected on the switch, no neutral line, only L not R, not N. Now, let me introduce how to connect it. First, you just need to connect the neutral line on the bump and the switch. Then, every switch needs to match with a bump holder on one of the bumps. Just one holder is enough. Then, connect the power. You can see it works. Now, let me show you how to use the Wi-Fi control the switch. First, you just need to make sure the Wi-Fi LED is in flashing. Then, we enter the apps, add the device, choose the wall switch, here we go. Now we connected it. You can select the all on, all off, or switch 1, on, off, switch 2, on, off. And you can also set the timer at the schedules on switch 1 and switch 2. And the countdown for switch 1, just set the times you like. Okay, thanks for watching.